Hello, so today we're going to be making snow globes. What you will need is a empty jar, scrub off the label. What else will we need? Some figures, or we're going to make our own from clay. My daughter's made this Christmas tree, so make it 3D. Glitter, we haven't got glitter, so we're going to cut up some tin foil. And what else do you need? I think that's it. So let's start making a snowman. So to save on clay, I'm going to just roll some balls of tin foil up, and then we're going to cover that in the white clay. This is polymer clay, which you then bake at 110 degrees for about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to wrap that up. And I'm going to make the body, I need a bit more. Yeah, so you could use any kind of figurines. These are Shopkins and Hatchimals. Could use a Lego character or a dinosaur even, whatever you fancy. Or even, I think you get those figurines that go on train sets, don't you? Like proper trees. So you could just use Christmas trees if you wanted to make it Christmas themed. I'm making a snowman, so obviously that's quite Christmassy themed. Right. So also this then doesn't make it too heavy, rather than a whole ball of clay. And that's fine to go in the oven, because you normally would put tin foil in the oven. Right. There we go. And then I'm going to add a little scarf and some black dots for buttons. So now the figures, the snowman and the Christmas tree, are baking in the oven. We're going to cut little strips of tin foil to make the snow. Or if you have glitter or confetti, that would be better. We don't have that, so I'm just going to make do, and this works quite well, floating nicely. So I've got little tiny strips, and then cut that, drop it into the water, fill the jar right up with water. You can't see. So I'm just cutting tiny, tiny little bits. And then once the figurines are done, we're going to glue them onto the lid and pop them in the water. I'll show you in a minute. Oops. So here's my finished snowman. Because the neck of the jar is quite high, I'm just going to build a little platform which is made of tin foil and a lid. So I'm going to glue the tin foil into the lid. That makes sense. I maybe need a bit more. Right, and then I'm going to glue the lid onto the jar lid. That's stayed. Then the Christmas tree. So let that dry. And then we're going to glue him onto there. And then I'll show you the finished product. And there we go, the finished product. Hope you liked this video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.